Let me show you how to make this chicken and gravy. So good. When you have a busy day, this is the meal to make. This one pan chicken and gravy comes together so quick and it's so delicious. Let's get into it. In my pan on medium heat, I'm adding in 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Once that has melted, adding in 3 tablespoons of flour, whisking this until it becomes nice and brown. Then to this, adding in 2 cups of chicken broth. Whisk this until it all comes together. For the seasonings, I'll be using onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, thyme. I'm also going to be adding in some oregano and some salt and pepper. Season as you wish. These are just the ones that I use. Once it has thickened up just a little bit, I'm going to be adding in my chicken breast. I have 2 here that I have already added salt and pepper to, and I just sliced them in half. Adding some of that gravy right on top. Cover this and let this simmer for about 20 to 25 minutes. Once the chicken has fully cooked, you can take this out and shred it separate or just shred it right in the pan, just like me. No need to dirty any more dishes. If you notice, I did not have enough of that gravy in here, and I want this to have a lot of gravy. Simple solution, just add some more chicken broth, and then to thicken that up, you're going to add some water with some cornstarch. Just mix that, add that to the pan, and then you're going to stir until it thickens up, and that's it. Simple solution. And this one pan chicken and gravy, it's done and it's ready to enjoy. It's so simple and it's perfect for those busy nights when you really don't have time to make a big meal. And it comes together so quick. You can serve this up with your favorite sides. I made some mashed potatoes and I just dropped some of that chicken and gravy right on top of there, added some gravy right there, just served it with some corn, some chicken dressing, and I did make some homemade honey butter dinner rolls. This meal was so good. Everybody here absolutely loved it, and they asked me, when are you going to make it again? So I will definitely be making this again. Save this recipe. If you want the recipe to these honey butter dinner rolls that went perfect with this meal, just look for it. I do have it posted.